That's 100 cents. Let's build it. Make a dollar, 100 cents and dollars, 100 centavos. Count it up, it all makes sense. Cuenta bien, vas avanzando. Different ways, but it's the same. Diferentes formas, igual valor. Mix your coins, that's the game. Mezcla monedas, sí señor. First way to make a dollar, N'Vidia Maxima style.
We can make a dollar with 100 pennies. Did you know?
Let's try it.
Vámonos.
Pennies, pennies, count them all. Pennies, pennies.
Cuéntalo ya.
Going big, we won't stop.
Hasta 100, vamos ya.
1 to 100, take your time.
1 a 100.
When muy bien, that's $1, look how it shines. $1 entero, míralo bien. Second way to make a dollar, N'Vidia Maxima style.
We can make a dollar with 20 nickels. Did you know?
Let's try it.
Vámonos.
Nickels now, count by 5. Nickels ahora, 5 en 5. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Keep it alive. 5 dimes, 15, 20, 25. Sigue así. Keep going by 5s till you reach 100. 100, hasta 100. Cuenta bien. 20 nickels, that'll make sense. 20 nickels, $1.
Third way to make a dollar.
N'Vidia Maxima style.
We can make a dollar with 10 dimes. Did you know?
Let's try it.
Huepa. Dime are 10, count by 10s. Dime son 10, cuenten 10. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, and $91. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, $1. All the way up to 100 now.
Hasta 100, míralo ya. 10 dimes make a dollar, wow. 10 dimes, $1 ya.
Fourth way to make a dollar.
N'Vidia Maxima style.
We can make a dollar with 4 quarters. Did you know?
Let's try it.
Huepa.
Quarters big, 25 each. Quarters grandes, 25. Count by 25, what do we reach? Cuenta así, ya lo explico. 25, 50, 75, 100, 25, 50, 75, 100. 100 cents, 4 quarters, high five. 4 quarters, $1 ya.
Fifth way to make a dollar.
N'Vidia Maxima style.
We can make a dollar with 2 quarters and 5 dimes. Did you know?
Let's try it.
Huepa. Let's mix it up, have some fun. Mezcla monedas, 1 a 1. 2 quarters, 50 done. 2 quarters, 50 ya. Add 5 dimes, that's 50 more. 5 dimes, 50 más. 50 plus 50 equals 100. Score. 50 más 50, 100. Lo lograste ya.
Sixth way to make a dollar, N'Vidia Maxima style.
We can make a dollar with 1 quarter, 7 dimes, 5 pennies.
Did you know? Let's try it.
Órale.
1 quart, that's 25. Quarter, 25. I am
7 dimes, keep it in mind. 7 centavos, te diga así.
25 plus 70 equals 95. Wait at 5 more. 25 más 70 es 95. Espera, agrega 5 más. With 5 more pennies, and you may roar.
Con 5 centavos más, tienes $1 ya.
Make a dollar,
100 cents,
haz $1. 100 centavos. So many ways,
it all makes sense.
muchas formas aprendemos. Pennies, nickels, dimes. Combine pennies, nickels, dimes. Combina ya. Quarters too, every time. Quarters también, sin igual.
Can you think of different ways to make a dollar? I bet you can. You can do it by N'Vidia Maxima. Let's try it.
Tick tock, take your time and count it out. Draw a picture of your result and share it with us. Grab some coins. N'Vidia Maxima style.
Huepa.